Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to check Autopay on PhonePe. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to check Autopay on PhonePe, first what you need to do is simply head over and launch the app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, simply tap on My Money at the bottom of your interface, and once you're inside, scroll down and select Autopay or recurring payments or UPI mandates option. And once done, you'll see a list of all active Autopay services including mobile recharge, electricity or water bills, DTH or streaming subscriptions, and other recurring payments via UPI. Tap any service to see the details like amount, frequency, and link bank account, and from here you can edit, stop or cancel Autopay if needed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, and can comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.